think it's time to uncover the full potential of distributed ledger technology? You will need reliable partners to make it a reality. Good news, you got into the right elevator. Let me and my colleagues tell you all about it.
Exactpro is an independent software testing provider for mission-critical technology that underpins global financial markets. Our firm is experienced with trading, clearing and settlement platforms, market surveillance and market data systems, collateral and risk management systems, and post-trade infrastructures. We operate in the UK and the US and have software delivery centers in Russia, Georgia, Lithuania, and Sri Lanka. Exactpro builds software to test software, to be able to verify highly complex technology systems. To ensure the required level of services is being met, we follow tried and tested standards in our human capital development strategy. These include a collection of best practices enabling IT professionals to plan, build, deliver, and run end-to-end solutions suited for the most critical business functions and processes. The strategy's main emphasis is placed on going beyond technology and emphasizing that not only are platforms, processes, and security essential to IT services, but that people make up the backbone of every organization and every project.
Decentralized technology is the future of finance. The blockchain space already has many players, but Corda is second to none in the world of permissioned DLT infrastructures. Exactpro values this partnership, and that's why we singled it out and selected this category. R3 maintains one of the largest permissioned enterprise DLT production ecosystems in the world, connecting over 400 institutions from the private and public sectors. In the context of growing demand for digitization, R3 has taken a lead in enabling direct digital collaboration in regulated industries, where trust is critical. Multi-party solutions developed on R3's platforms harness the power of trust technology, connected networks, and regulated market expertise to drive market innovation and improve processes in banking, capital markets, global trade, and insurance. Exactpro is proud to have the opportunity to cover functional and non-functional testing of Corda's core products: Corda Open Source, Corda Enterprise, and Corda Enterprise Network Manager. We have been a part of the R3 Global Network, the R3 Marketplace, since October 2018. Additionally, Exactpro is currently running multiple ambitious software development and testing projects on the R3 Corda Enterprise-grade DLT platform.
While working with R3, we've developed effective approaches to solving the main challenges encountered in testing DLT-based platforms. These challenges include system complexity, interoperability, high transaction throughput, multi-threaded nature requiring additional levels of security, as well as the need for high availability and continuous upgrades to nodes, applications, and networks. We share our insights at industry events, for example, CordaCon and Extend, organized by R3 and Exactpro respectively. Exactpro is a part of the CBDC working group created by R3 to spearhead the exploration of potential features, use cases, and strategies for implementing and engaging with digital currency. Our expertise has allowed us to effectively tailor our existing toolset and approaches to DLT technology. Exactpro's ClearTH test automation framework for DLT-based post-trade won Best Tool Demo Award in China in April 2019. In May 2020, Exactpro was awarded an Automation Technology Project of the Year award in recognition of our work with R3's Corda Enterprise Distributed Ledger Technology by K Financial. Earlier this year, Exactpro was honored to be recognized as Best in Operational Resiliency in the 2021 Markets' Choice Awards for its Stage 2 framework designed to enable automation in functional and non-functional testing for complex distributed transaction processing systems, such as securities trading systems and exchanges, banking, brokerage, post-trade, and payments platforms.
As per the IDC's Worldwide Blockchain Spending Guide, investment in blockchain is rapidly increasing, driven by the need for resiliency and transparency of data transactions provided by this technology, with a projected 5-year compound annual growth rate of 48% over 2020 to 2024. Forrester's blockchain forecast for 2021 is positive about DLT making it to the production stage, with an estimate of 30% of all existing blockchain initiatives going live in 2021. The forecast also anticipates the leading role of permission blockchains, which resonates well with the data provided in the Gartner 2020 Blockchain Platform Report, putting Corda as the primary blockchain technology used in over 40% of all blockchain use cases. This implies not only that DLT is going to be implemented on a greater scale, but also that the industry itself is very likely to be reshaped and adopt new technology standards, proving the Exactpro R3 collaboration as contributing to the establishment of best practices of innovation supported by extensive quality assessment.
Exactpro is the member of the FIX trading community spearheading the FIX MOST working group. MOST stands for Monitoring, Onboarding and Software Testing. We are also a member of SWIFT, the World Federation of Exchanges and Futures Industry Association, FIA. This allows us to stay up to date on the industry's most vital issues and take an active part in the ongoing discourse. Both R3 and Exactpro make their code available to a wide community of developers to encourage innovation and feedback. FIX Trading Community, R3, DLT Consortium, GasQ and ZOIS. These associations and consortia help to create an industry-wide infrastructure for designing resilient fintech software through standardization, as well as a set of guidelines and best practices aimed to boost the robustness of software created by the industry and for the industry. This support by the community is crucial for the development of software testing principles we follow at Exactpro and apply to the work with our clients.
Over the years, our client network has expanded to more than 20 countries on all continents. It now includes over half of the world's top 20 exchanges and clearinghouses. Most of our clients partner with us on a long-term basis. We wouldn't be where we are today without the trust our global partner community places in us. DLT innovation is an important trend shaping the financial services industry. It's no surprise that many fintech firms are developing solutions based on this technology. Emerging technologies are introduced into financial technology platforms through collaboration between the emerging technology provider and an independent testing specialist firm. Such collaboration has been established between R3 and Exactpro. Dedication to innovation is why the solutions and services both firms provide are valued by the clients. In order to expedite the delivery of their cutting-edge technology upgrades to their clients, R3 has overhauled its approach to releases. Exactpro has been always focused on innovation to support our software testing services. To ensure the operational resilience of our clients' platforms, we have developed our next-generation test automation solution called TH2.
If you'd like to learn more, reach out to us via exactpro.com. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our social media to get all the latest updates.